How to make AI videos from text for free. Best tools 2026. Now, imagine typing a single sentence like a futuristic city floating above the clouds at sunrise. And of course, seconds later, you have an actual video. No camera, no actors, no filming. And above of all of that, no expensive editing software, just text. Welcome to the world of AI video generation. Now, in 2026, AI video tools have become so powerful that individual creators can now generate content that would have required entire production teams whole years just a few years ago. Modern tools like Veo, Runway, Pika, Kling, and others can create realistic motion, cinematic camera movements, and even synchronized audio directly from text prompts. Now, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how text-to-video AI works, how to create AI videos for free, the best tools available in 2026, and how to get dramatically better results than most beginners. Let's get started. Now, let's start with the basics. Text-to-video AI is exactly what it sounds like. You describe a scene using text. The AI generates a video based on your description. So, for example, a cinematic drone shot flying over a tropical island at sunset. Now, the AI interprets the environment, lighting, movement, camera angle, atmosphere, and creates a video clip. Now, today's top AI video platforms can understand complex instructions involving camera movement, character actions, visual style, and scene composition. Now, that is why AI video creation is exploding among YouTubers, marketers, freelancers, agencies, social media creators, and film makers. Now, before we create videos, let's actually look at the tools. So first of all, there is Google Veo. Now, Google Veo is one of the strongest options for realistic video generations. It is known for realistic motion, strong physics simulation, cinematic quality, and native audio capabilities. Many creators consider it one of the best choices for photorealistic video gen. Then, moving on to the other video generative model, we have Runway. Now, Runway remains one of the most popular creator focused AI video platform. Now, the reason I say that is because it offers different things like text to video, image to video, AI editing, motion controls, and advanced workflows. Now, Runway is frequently recommended for different creators who want both generation and editing capabilities all in one platform. Now, Pika is extremely beginner friendly. Okay, Pika is something that most users can get behind pretty simply. There is not a huge learning curve behind it. It has simple frames and simple work ethics along with it. And it is something that is for short form content. Now, Pika is known for its quick generation, its stylized effects, social media content engagement, and easy to use interface. This is how straight up and simple it looks. Okay. Many creators use Pika for their short form content and rapid experimentation. And finally, we have Kling AI. Now, Kling has become incredibly popular due to its realistic motion capture ability, quality, and generous access options. Now, Kling is particularly strong for character movement, realistic animation, action scenes, longer generations, and many reviewers consider Kling among the strongest AI video generators that are currently available. Now, let's actually create a simple project. Go ahead and open your preferred editor, out of all of these. Now, of course, when you're opening them up, do make sure that using any of these will have a pricing plan on them. Do remember that no video generative AI is going to be free for you. It's either, how cheap it is or how efficient it is with its price. It's not free. Any, different product you go to, there will always be a pricing on it. So do make sure to go ahead and check the pricing. And the ones that do give us a free plan, do remember that they're going to be either for one video or, some really simple project. Now, in my case, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go ahead and use Runway for myself. All you're simply going to do is you're going to click on sign up. And once you click on sign up from here on out, you're simply going to want to generate a whole account for yourself. Okay. And once Runway's model loads us up, as you can see, you are into the generative session. So here you can actually choose what you want to go with. So you can let it know if it's a scene builder or is it a short. Obviously, I'm going to go with video. And here you can choose what you want. Now, if you want a simple, text to video, you can simply go with, let's go with multi-shot video. Now, over here, what you can do is simply let in a prompt. So let's go ahead with this prompt right here. Now, once this prompt is in, you can choose all the editings you want. So let's 720p. Let's go with one by one. And let's say we do need the sound. Let's go with 5 seconds. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to hit generate. And of course, it will prompt you to sign yourself up. All you're simply going to do is you're going to sign yourself in. And it is going to start creating the generation for you. Now, do make sure that your prompt engineering is on point because when it comes to softwares like text to video tools, your prompt engineering needs to be pretty good because your AI will only work as good as your prompt. If your prompt is not good, you will not be able to get a good concept art. Okay. So once you have signed in and you have gone ahead and entered the main way, you're simply going to go ahead and accept all of their agreements. Once you've gone ahead with all of this, go to the generative section. It will ask you to upgrade to Pro, but if you want to go ahead and stay on the free plan, you can do that as well. But simply come here and do what I taught you. Add in your prompt. Once you have added in your prompt, I'm simply going to go ahead and make sure that the prompt looks appropriate and uniform. Once we've done that, you can choose locations, you can choose tones, how you want it. I'm going to go ahead and decrease the duration. You can add in music. I'm going to go ahead and keep it 1-1, and you're going to hit create my outline. And once you do that, as you can see, the runway agent starts thinking things in, and now it'll start going ahead and set up your video. So that is how to make AI videos from text for free in 2026. The biggest takeaway is quite simple. The quality of your AI video depends largely on the quality of your prompt. Think of it like a filmmaker. Describe scenes, not objects. And don't be afraid to generate multiple versions until you get exactly what you want. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to subscribe for more AI tools, content creation guides, and online business tutorials. And, of course, let me know in the comments which AI video tool are you most excited to try in 2026. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Have a great day. Goodbye.